Alright, so for your in-cabin air filter, it's going to be located inside your glove compartment. Here's the model number. Pick this up from Walmart. Go ahead and include the links below. What we're going to do is we're going to remove a couple of these right here. So we're going to kind of let that hang. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pinch in both sides. So we're going to go ahead and pinch in this left side, pinch in this right side. It's going to get pushed down, and then the in-cabin air filter is located back here. There's going to be two notches right here. So we're going to push in these notches right here to pull that out, and the direction on that says up. We're going to pull that out, and I'll let you look at the air filter. So the pleats on here look like they're pretty old, and then the direction on this does say up as well. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the old element, and the old element does say up on here. We're going to replace it with a new element. Okay, so once we've taken the old element out, we are going to place the new element in. And on this particular model, the direction the airflow goes up. So we're going to go ahead and place that in. We're going to go ahead and push it in as well. There's going to be a couple notches that hold that in. And then we're going to go backwards. Insert everything back in. And then we're going to put the cover up. We're going to go ahead and just close it if you just push it in. As we make sure that we close it, make sure that these brackets are lined up with the car right here. And then what we can do is go ahead and push it back up, and then you are going to remember to place that back in, and then once you've closed, you finished it.